Welcome to the future of video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. In just 3 minutes, more or less, we'll introduce you to the exciting new features and enhancements that makes Premiere Pro the ultimate tool for visual storytelling. The new Premiere Pro 2023 interface is sleek and intuitive, designed to streamline your editing workflow. With a customizable workspace and improved panel layers, you will have full control over your creative environment. Keyframes. Meet the powerful automation engine. Premiere Pro 2023 introduced advancement automation capabilities, allowing you to automate complex animations, transitions, and effects with ease, achieve stunning visual effects, and save time with these game-changing features. Searching for a perfect shot? The revamped search and filter option makes it effortless. Instant find media file using keywords, tags, and even visual cues. Say goodbye to hours of scrolling and hello to efficient media management. Collaboration just got better with the enhanced team project. Seamlessly work with team members on shared projects in real time. No matter where you are, stay connected, review changes, and work together to create something extraordinary. Premiere Pro 2023 offers unparalleled performance with native support for Apple Silicon and AMD processors. Experience faster rendering, smoother playback, and improve overall stability. It's time to unleash your creativity without technical limitations. Say goodbye to tedious manual tasks with a few new Audio Reframe Plus. Automatically transform your video into different aspect ratio. Ideal for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Instantly adapt your content and reach a wider audience. When it comes to color grading, the enhanced Lumetri color panel in Premiere Pro 2023 is a game changer. Take full control of your video colors with the new tools, curves, and scope. Achieve that cinematic look and bring your vision to life. Do you need a quick and professional look on your project? Introducing Motion Graphic Template Plus. Access a vast library of customizable templates directly within Premiere Pro. Elevate your video with stunning titles, lower thirds, and transitions in just few clicks. Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition. Take advantage of dynamic link and easily move between applications, unleashing the full potential of your creative toolkit. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your creative journey, Premiere Pro 2023 is a ticket to success. Get ready to create a breathtaking video like never before. Upgrade to Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 and unlock the world of limitless possibilities. Start your journey today and make your mark on the world visual storytelling. If you find this video informative, do well to just like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to smash that bell icon so that when I post my new video, you will be notified.